Today we're walking Jack with Gracie. I haven't walked Jack with anybody either. First go of it. She keeps eyeing him a little bit here and there, but so for those of you that for those of you that always ask me how to get two dogs to meet, this is the best way. Walk them together like this. It creates a bonding experience, and they don't have to go nose to nose or nose to butt to meet. She can look at him, but dogs don't stare sideways and walk at the same time. You can watch her. Head will go forward, then may look over. See? Best way for dogs to meet. Take them for a walk.